Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of food production. It refers to the practice of cultivating soil and growing crops. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. In British accent, we may pronounce it as agriculture, agriculture, ag, re, cul, char, agriculture. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as agriculture, agriculture, ag, re, cul, char, agriculture. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about agriculture, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.